Yahoo! I cannot wait. Them baby hairs. I can't wait, y'all. Y'all don't understand how I'm a boo. Hey y'all, so I am back with a video. Pretty much I am going to let you guys know about my crown, my hair. So let's see, let's get close. Well, I want to let you guys know where I got the hair from. Her name is Ashay, and I'm going to tag her right here to her Facebook. I'm gonna see if she got an Instagram, and I'll put that right here as well. However, I am going to tag her on for her Facebook down below. You'll be able to click, but this is where I got my hair from. This is a wig. Yes, it is a wig. So let's get into it. I love the fact that you can see scalp. Hello, somebody, to the scalp. You can see scalp. She put a part there. I love that. But I can put it to any side. I love middle parts anyway, but I can put it to this side if I want to. Uh-oh, I'm getting caught on the backdrop. I can put it to this side if I want to. I can put it in a ponytail because it's a 360. So I can put it in a ponytail. I can put a ponytail and down at the back. Whatever. Hello, somebody. I'm gonna show you how long it is. It is down to my butt tops. Anyways, I love it, y'all. I'm so happy. I have not had long hair since August of last year, basically, because so I was in a wedding in May, and I cut my hair, I shaved my hair, I put a picture right here. I shaved my hair in August of last year, and then I started my locks in February, which I love my locks, y'all, but I haven't had long hair. Boo. I have not had long hair since last year, August of last year. Anyways, so I'm excited, very excited. I can't stop touching it. Girl, did somebody say something? Anyways, so the person who installed it, her name is Angel Rich. Let's let y'all know, Angel Rich. So Angel installed the hair. Baby, look how she laid these edges. Cause I wanted somebody that was gonna lay it down. You know what I'm talking about? She laid them edges down. Hello. So Angel Rich, I'm gonna put her information right here as well. She has an Instagram and Facebook. That's who installed my crown. And then we have Miss Ashay, who made the wig for me. And girl, you did your thing. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show you guys my braid wig. And see, y'all see that? This is gonna be a problem. All right, I'm out, y'all. Bye. So I low-key have a problem because I'm so used to having my locks, y'all. I started to do this and I'm like, wait, it's attached. Can't take it off. So I want to show you guys what I have on, which is the Real Chill set. I have this, I'm not sold out. I think I have this in the last one in small, but it is a 2-piece biker set. I'm gonna stand up so you guys could see it. So keep watching.